ChromaScape is a manufacturing company. We bring color into the landscapes. We enhance landscapes, and we do that through providing colors for mulch, for decorative concrete products, for coloring of stone and aggregate, for asphalt and sealers.
Our colorant is top of the line. We use the best of the raw materials that we can get, and that really shows in our products, and it really brings out that color and lets that pop.
Any product that we make, we like to put what we call real tangible value into it, something the customer can appreciate, something that makes their job easier.
Currently have 4 locations throughout the country, 2 on the West Coast, in Arizona and Texas, and then in Kentucky and Ohio. Having multiple locations, it's sometimes difficult to have communication.
They were all tracking and capturing data and planning things on their own system.
I knew the importance of having an integrated business planning system, a strong ERP foundation. We went through a pretty stringent evaluation period of who were we going to invest in. ABIS won that competition.
The greatest benefit from ABIS right away was just bringing all that data together in one place.
From raw materials, inventory, packaging, marketing, right down to the billing. ABIS is an essential part of us being able to look at that data and make good decisions.
We use the ABIS mobile apps. You go out, take the iPads out on the floor, they will count the products, you either scan it, you type it in, it syncs directly with ABIS right away. You know immediately if you're off or on. It probably reduced our cycle counting time by half.
One thing that ABIS allows us to do is create dashboards as well as customized reports that give us information that allow us to make decisions that puts us ahead of our competition.
ABIS is the main tool that we use to run our business.